Hi guys, I forget to show one thing from the inside the box. I forgot the stick when you take this both of them out. So in the end there was also stick. I forgot to show the stick. This is stick. You can say also like selfie stick. You can make longer like this and you can make video, you can record. Yeah, I am tired. It's called extension rod, bar extraction. I forgot. It was in the behind, so I couldn't see it. It's a little bit funny. Actually, I decided to buy camera this week, and I searched it 2 days ago, like something like that. I look it in YouTube, in social media. I read a lot of comments. Why this camera is like this? This is my bicycle. So actually, how I decided to buy this camera. Look. Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's put this in the box back. Come on man, what's going on? Yeah. Actually I was between two cameras. The first camera was DJ Action 5 Pro and the second camera was Insta360 Ace Pro. I searched both of them from YouTube. I watched YouTube videos. Actually, I was very busy this week and I didn't have a long time. So I watched like 40-minute videos apart. Actually, I like it more the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 because that camera, the image quality, it was much better, especially in the dark. The reason why I bought this camera is little bit cheaper, and also they give you a lot of things inside the box. As you see, you saw a lot of things inside the box. Just see how many things do you have inside the box. You can read. This is the adventure packet. When you want to buy the Insta360 Ace Pro, only they give you, if I don't remember wrong, only two battery on the camera, and they are same price. So which is logical to buy for the price was both of them same, 470. This is the packet, adventure packet, 470 Osmo Action 5 Pro, and the Insta360 was also same 470, but without good packet, only two battery. So why I will pay too much, do you know? And I need also money, so you have to think when you buy things, what do you have in your account. You cannot give only the money like this, because if I bought only the camera and later I had to pay for a future battery and also extension rod and protective frame and cursive active, base active, this all things is important. But next time also I'm gonna buy the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Maybe they will make the new camera from that. Maybe I'm gonna buy, I don't know, next year or in the summer. So we will see guys. Just I wanted to show it the Extension road, I forget. Yeah, I hope we will make a lot of nice video with this camera, Osmo Action 5 Pro. Look at my eyes, man. I am very tired. Look, I'm looking bad and also handsome, huh? So guys, now I'm gonna go home. This is the weather. This is my bicycle. I go every day to work with this bicycle. So I have also memory with this bike. So guys, take care yourself. Take care good. Always be good. Yeah, I see also here the hanging neck mount. You can make vlog without holding it the whole time in your hand the camera. So guys, take care yourself.